Hi, I'm Rob from Alco International, here to talk today about our range of lockable trailer couplings. Just a little bit about Alco to give you some background. Alco has been in the market for the last 50 or so years in Australia, producing quality trailer products. And these couplings are just a typical example of the product range that we produce. In general, couplings need to conform to an Australian design rule. That's a mandated requirement. And each of the Alco couplings meets all the requirements and has a component type approval number, which becomes effective 1st of July this year. The range of Alco couplings are all fitted with what we call the XL handle, which is a nice wide grip handle, easy for access. Trigger mechanism on the side to latch the product. And the range we're talking about here has a lockable function to it as well, where you can lock the trailer coupling both on and off the trailer. Now that's got some really great features because it eliminates the necessity for an extra component being a separate trailer lock. So you're actually getting two in one. So let's talk a little bit about trailer couplings, the requirements and their applications for each individually as we go along. The smallest of our couplings is this small snap-on. It's rated at 2,000 kilos. It would mostly be used on unbraked trailers up to 750 kilos or thereabouts, typically things like jet ski trailer, box trailer. Some of the very smaller boat trailers, for example, would use this type of trailer coupling. It has the feature of the XL handle, nice good grip, easy to connect on with. All of our couplings, as is this one, has a ball adjustment screw on the top to take out any extra wear of the toe ball and the coupling head as it wears. And it has the feature of the lockable connection as well. And this can be locked both on the trailer and off the trailer. So that's sort of your typical 6x4 garden trailer bottom end of the market. If we start to move up to larger trailers where braking is required, you're likely to come across a coupling requirement such as this, which is called an override coupling. The way it functions is you have a reversing latch here, so that when you're backing the trailer up, the brakes aren't activated. If you have a look underneath the coupling, you'll see that it's got a spring in it. And what happens as you're braking, the coupling head moves back and the back of the coupling shaft puts on a braking mechanism, whether it be a hydraulic braking system or a mechanical braking system to apply the brakes. As with the smaller coupling, built to Australian standards of course, it's got the XL handle, similar sort of mechanism, ball adjustment on the front and a locking mechanism to lock it both on or off the trailer, taking away the necessity for having an extra trailer lock, which is a real advantage. So that's sort of up to around the 2,000 kilo range as far as braking is concerned. It's got a rating of 2,000 kilos. When you move into heavier braking applications, and typically that would be things like perhaps a tradesman's trailer above 2,000 kilos, some of them get quite heavy, or in particular, very important on caravans. Most caravans are fitted with this fixed type coupling. It's mounted with a standard 4-hole mounting, so interchangeable, as with the override coupling, with standard bolt holes. Again, the feature of the machined base on the coupling. This one's fitted up with a parking brake mechanism because the brakes on this are operated from inside the towing vehicle, so you have no override function on it, just a fixed coupling. So we have a push button handbrake mechanism which comes with this particular coupling. Nice and easy to use. Easy for the operation, a little bit like the automotive style of handbrake. And once again comes with the feature of the trailer lock. XL handle, ball adjusting on the screw on the top. So the coupling range is complete. It's all approved to Australian standard. It's good quality product. It's a really good advantage for consumers to understand that they can lock the product both on and off their trailer. Particularly if you've got something like a boat trailer, for example, at a boat ramp. You lock it on your car, you come back, it's going to be there when you return, and takes away the necessity of an extra locking system to be provided. The lockable trailer coupling range, like all of the products, is covered by an extensive warranty, and any information regarding bolt hole positions or tightening torques and so forth are all available online at alco.com.au.